Hello, I'm Dr. Avnish Gupta. Today we have a 70 years old lady. Her name is Shubhangi Ambekar, and she was operated by us for spine 2 years back by plates and screws fixation, lumbar spine surgery, and she was absolutely fine. I mean, she had no problems after the surgery. She reported to us say around 20 odd days back that she had a very bad swollen left knee joint, and then we discovered on the X-ray that she had a very bad arthritis, and it was obviously osteoarthritis, as we can see evidently on the X-ray. It's a very bad arthritis. If you see here, this is normally there is a space in between the two bones, and there is a protection in between by this kind of material, soft material, and there is no friction between the two bones. If you see, it's all in between this is something soft here in between. So this is totally stuck to each other. There is no space in between, and rather this bone has completely shifted to that side. It is completely dislocated and gone towards one side, and we can see this kind of a bad features of arthritis, new bone formation. This is arthritis, and it is shifted, and there is a complete bent knee. It is just like this here, and it's in this direction here. So it is a bend complete. So she had, whenever she used to get up and walk, she used to have a bad pain, and that friction leads to a lot of swelling and pain. And when she came to us, she came on a wheelchair, absolutely inability to stand or walk. Now she was in very bad shape. She was almost crying, and she had no hopes even after good lumbar spine surgery. Because of knee joint osteoarthritis, she was unable to walk. And she's there with us today, fortunately, with us, and her daughter is also with us. And today she was there with us for around 14 odd days with us for admission, and we give the max therapy. That is a max vibration therapy, and I think my physiotherapist will be able to tell that better just after my talk. But the best part is, after that, the effect of physiotherapy was after we gave this, and she started improving in 3-4 days time. The swelling went down, the movements became better, and she started improving very rapidly. And the best part is that today she's totally pain free. When we discharged a week back, we discharged her, and that time her condition was that she was 80 to 85% pain free, and she was able to walk comfortably. Now today she has come that she is having no pain at all. Now I repeat my words, she doesn't have any pain right now. We'll talk to her in obviously the local language, and obviously she will tell what she has the improvement. The whole idea is that this kind of bad knee, and so many times patient has come after advice of knee joint surgery, and we have given this max therapy, and the surgery is avoided altogether. Even the medicines are also stopped for lifelong. We expect only the physiotherapy to continue, because that has to be continued. But it is what I want to convey the message is, even this kind of knee with our max therapy can become total pain free, provided she continues the physiotherapy rest of the life. I don't say it's a very big physiotherapy, it's not a very tight schedule, or it's a very hectic schedule. It's a very simple physiotherapy. Our physiotherapists teach that. And I think these patients who are such elderly patients who can't go ahead with the surgery because of maybe other medical problems, or maybe some fear factor or financial reasons, I think this is the very right approach to manage this way, and this can avoid surgery for the rest of the life. And we have follow-ups of so many patients for more than 2.5 years, and they are absolutely pain-free, and they are living the good life. Even some people who are not able to walk only just 2 to 3 yards also, and now they are walking pain-free, and they are doing complete farming. They are doing all bending, difficult work, everything. So this is a very, very big revolution, I think so, in the field of patients who have arthritis. And this Max machine is not only good for knee arthritis, it is good for all kind of arthritis. Maybe it's a frozen shoulder, it's a multiple joint arthritis. It really works. So I would say I will recommend a lot of patients, all the patients who don't want to go ahead for surgery or really don't require a surgery, should and have their pain and their activity is restricted, they should go ahead with the Max treatment. Let's talk to the patients what they want to say. मावशी तुम्ही बोला, तुम्हाला किती तुम्हाला आठवड्यापूर्वी डिस्चार्ज केला होता मी.
हो.
तुम्हाला आठवड्यापूर्वी मी डिस्चार्ज केलेला आहे आणि 14 दिवस इथे ॲडमिट केलं होतं. हो. आणि तुम्हाला आता आज अजिबात दुखत नाही. अजिबात दुखत नाही, चालताना अजिबात दुखत नाही. व्हॉट शी इज सेइंग, शी डझंट हॅव पेन ॲट ऑल इन वॉकिंग अँड स्टँडिंग. That really encourages us to do more and more cases rather, and we will talk to her daughter as well. ताई, तुम्हाला कसं वाटतंय?
आणि तेव्हा खूप त्रास होता, आता खूप चांगलं व्यवस्थित एकदम.
दुखायचं पूर्ण राहिलं,
पूर्ण राहिलं आणि सूज पण पूर्ण गेली आहे
पायाची पूर्ण पण क्लिअर झालेली आहे आणि दुखायचं अजिबात दुखायचं पूर्ण राहिलं,
पूर्ण बंद झालं,
पूर्ण बंद झालंय. तुम्हाला किती चांगलं वाटतंय?
100%.
100%. तुम्ही खुश आहेत?
खुश आहे. किती आराम, म्हणजे फायदा झाला एकदम व्यवस्थित.
थोडंसं आपण हिंदीमध्ये बोलूया, कारण भरपूर जे इंटरनेटवरती लोक आहेत त्यांना मराठी नहीं समझत.
हो.
तर आपको अच्छा लगता है?
बहुत अच्छा.
और पहले से इनका दर्द कितना % ठीक हो गया है?
100%.
100% पेन दर्द ठीक हो गया है. और इतना घुटना इनका इतना खराब होने के बावजूद भी 100% पेन में रिलीफ है. और कोई भी हमने ऑपरेशन नहीं बताया, एडमिट होने के बाद कोई भी सलाइन नहीं दिया, कोई भी इंजेक्शन भी नहीं दिया, कोई भी चीज़ चुबाई नहीं हमने. ऊपर से सिर्फ वाइब्रेशन से बिल्कुल सिकाई दी हमने, जो बोलते हैं एक टाइप का मसाज बोलते हैं, वाइब्रेशन से एकदम, उससे इनका अच्छा हो गया. तो आप खुश हैं मौशी? खुश हैं? She belongs to a place near Goa. She's come from a far distance and from the Konkan area, it's around Goa. Everybody knows Goa, I think so. And she's intending to go back. And we just given one calcium tablet so that, it's already elderly ladies have osteoporosis. So I don't think she requires any medication other than physiotherapy. She obviously, and we have want to follow up after a month and then gradually after 3 months time maybe. But I don't think she has to come frequently to us, and we want to try all these patients to be alright and keep away from hospitals, because these people really suffer by taking medicines on rest of their life. I challenge anybody in the world who can stop medicine on this particular kind of knee joint for the rest of their life. And we can show at least 100 odd patients, or we can, or there are other videos on the YouTubes and obviously on the website, which is www.neuro-world.com, where all the information is there about the Max therapy and the fabulous improvement after that. And I want to pass the conversation to Dr. Farooq Khan, who is our head of physiotherapy. So he will tell about the Max machine and about the treatment. Dr. Farooq Khan, over to you.
We have got this machine from Germany, and it's a very detailed science. Just to explain in short, our body cells, for healthy life to the cell and to get a proper nutrition from the blood and from the body, they have to work, they have to oscillate at a set frequency, and that is around 8 to 12 hertz. And this frequency, they get disturbed in all kind of arthritis and any muscular pain and any other abnormality. With the help of Max machine, we try to reinstate directly that rhythm. We give the cell that rhythm. That's why the cell improves, the cell becomes healthy very fast, and we get result in a very short period. As you can see the X-ray, such a damaged knee, whatever you give, you cannot show result in 3 to 4 days. But because Max, it works on the cellular biophysics, it works at the cellular micro level. That's why we get the changes very quickly and for a very, very long duration. For her, our protocol was, we used to give her Max machine for 2 days one session was of around 1 to 2 hours. So in the morning for one knee, in the evening for the other knee, and we have given her around 14 session for right knee and 14 session for the left knee. And believe me, after 4 days, 5 days only, she started saying कि I am better more than 50%. And at the time of discharge, she was more than 80 to 90% better. Simultaneously, we concentrated on exercises also because she was not walking properly. Her gait was waddling, and this is there in most arthritic patients. So we have concentrated on her gait, how to walk, getting better. We have concentrated on her lifestyle changes, some basic restrictions which
Basically, what Dr. Farooq is saying, we reset the rhythm.
reset the rhythm.
The disturbed rhythm has been reset because when they have the problems like this, their frequency fall. To something like if it is not it's around 10 hertz, 8 to 12 hertz. He said so around 10 hertz. If we say it as a this thing, then it falls to something like 4, 3, 6, whatever it is. Depends upon how much problem it is. It falls up to that level. And as soon as we give that vibration machine, it oscillates at 10 hertz and immediately sets the cells to vibrate at that nice level. At that, the blood flow increases, the nutrition of the cells increases, the swelling immediately goes down, and the pain factor is taken care. So it's completely natural treatment without any side effects. And the best part is patients are happy because there is no cut. There is no bleeding, there is no surgery involved, there is no injection given, there is no saline given. So what else we are looking for? You have to just be in the hospital for this kind of severe problems. You have to be hospitalized for some days depending upon the severity, and you are better. But if you come early with minimum problems on the x-rays and minimum, it is just a start of 6 months or 4 months or 1 year. We do on the OPD basis also. We give 3-4 sessions on OPD basis, or maybe 2 sessions, 3 sessions on OPD basis. Maybe after every 5 days, 7 days, and the patients are still better. They are alright. The idea is, the goal is ultimately alright. The knee should not give pain rest of the life. We want 100% relief. All the patients who we have treated till date are in our touch, as well as through our phone calls and their follow-ups. So we find it's a fabulous treatment, and I think it's an answer to avoid knee joint surgery and in the best possible way.